Meanwhile, global stock markets have been on a recovery path since the Russian Defense Ministry yesterday published footage to demonstrate that it was in fact returning some troops to base after exercises. Shares in Asia Pacific rose today morning on signs of easing tensions, and investors also reacted to weaker than expected Chinese inflation data. Japan's Nikkei jumped 2%, while other major markets including South Korea's Kospi and China's Shanghai Composite also traded with gains. However, some other markets including India struggled for momentum as market participants were cautious after last session's rally while keeping an eye on the Ukraine situation. After losing momentum in early trade today, India's Nifty 50 and Sensex index are now trading up as concerns like higher inflation and interest rate hikes are now still looming large for investors in the absence of any positive triggers. Yesterday, US and European stock markets rebounded on hopes of Russia's de-escalations of the tensions with the West, while US and European equities moved unambiguously higher, with major Wall Street indices winning 1.2% or more after Paris and Frankfurt both added about 2%. In addition to fears about a possible war in Eastern Europe, investors have been concerned about the US Federal Reserve possibly taking a more aggressive stance on interest rates to tame inflation. Oil also held steep losses on hopes that Russia will not invade Ukraine after Moscow said that some of its troops on the country's border had started pulling back. Oil prices, which have shot to 7-year highs during the Ukraine crisis, tumbled as much as 4% in value yesterday. Russia is a major exporter of both oil and natural gas. WION World is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.